Hello car enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Are you tired of being stranded with flat tires or relying on outdated pumps that take forever to inflate? Today, I've got the ultimate list of the top 5 best portable air compressors for car tires that will save you time, effort, and stress. Stick around until the end to find out which compressor tops the list. It might just surprise you. Before we start, make sure to subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another review and car care tips. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals on these products. Let's get started. Number 5. Hajomel Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Hajomel Tire Inflator features a powerful 150 psi pressure and a massive 10,000 mAh battery, capable of inflating tires quickly with its 4 times fast inflation speed. It offers 5 inflation modes for versatility, a digital pressure gauge for accuracy, and LED lighting for nighttime use. This compact inflator can even double as a phone charger and fits conveniently in your car. I've found the Hajomel to be a lifesaver for its speed and multifunctionality. Whether inflating my car tires or using it for bike tires during a family trip, it's incredibly reliable. However, it can get slightly warm during prolonged use, but overall, its compact design and Number 4. Carsun Digital Air Compressor. The Carsun Digital Air Compressor offers an impressive 150 psi pressure and 35 liters per minute airflow, inflating a standard tire in under 5 minutes. It's equipped with a bright LED light, a high-precision digital display, and a 10-foot power cord for reaching all tires. This versatile pump comes with multiple nozzles, making it suitable for cars, bikes, and inflatables. I've appreciated the Carsun for its simplicity and efficiency. Plugging it into my car's power outlet and setting the pressure is effortless, especially during nighttime emergencies. It's corded, which limits mobility, but its quick inflation speed makes up for it. Number 3. Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Airmoto is a compact and cordless powerhouse, delivering up to 120 psi with its 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. Its digital display offers precision, and the auto shut-off ensures safe inflation. With multiple attachments, it's versatile enough for cars, bikes, and sports equipment. The Airmoto's portability is its standout feature. I've carried it in my glove box and used it on road trips without worrying about finding an outlet. Its battery capacity could be higher, but for its size and convenience, it's well worth it. Number 2. AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Built with tough ultra technology, the AstroAI Tire Inflator is incredibly durable and compact. It's programmable, with automatic shut-off and a backlit display for easy use in low light. With a lightweight design, it's perfect for glove compartments and emergency use. I've used the AstroAI multiple times, and its precision and durability are unmatched. The flashlight feature has been a game-changer during nighttime roadside stops. It's slightly noisier than others on this list, but its reliability outweighs the extra decibels. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Tire Inflator. The DEWALT 20V Max is the ultimate portable inflator, featuring 3 power sources: battery, 12 volts DC, and 110 volts AC, high pressure and high volume modes, and onboard accessory storage. It's built to last with heavy-duty rubber feet for stability and a threaded chuck for secure connections. This inflator is a beast. I've used it on multiple job sites and for personal use, and its versatility and power make it worth every penny. It's a bit louder than other models, but its performance and features make it the clear winner. And there you have it, the top 5 best portable air compressors for car tires. From compact and cordless to powerful and versatile, there's something for everyone on this list. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals on these amazing products. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.